成功。
Hi guys, today we're just gonna be folding this paper airplane, the tube. I can't imagine this being a paper airplane, but it actually is. And how it works is, well, you kind of spin it this way, like this. See? Like this. You spin it so it has angular momentum, then it won't just fiddle around in the air, and then you throw it forward. So, well, it has some energy. Now you can see here, this is pretty neat and a pretty simple model, so you guys won't have any hard times doing it. But sure, some of the folds are somewhat hard, so try to not lose concentration. So first we have to kind of fold 1/3 of the paper over. We're using A4. You can use some other paper if you want. I don't think that this has any restrictions on paper. Fold 1/3 of the paper over, so the unfolded side will be, well, somewhat equal to this side. You can just eye it and not really measure it, since that would be a hassle. Then fold it, make sharp creases. Now we are just gonna fold this edge over to that edge as well. Just pretty simple. But it's hard to crease this sometimes since it's multiple layers. This is one of the most strangest planes that I have ever folded, to be honest. And if you guys can fold it, well, you guys should be able to fold it. It will be very cool to show your friends and maybe even have some competitions as well. Now, finally, we're just going to fold this edge to this edge again, since it's necessary. So this should be pretty hard to fold since it has, 8 layers? Yeah, I think it's 8. Oh, or is it 6? I forgot. But it's pretty hard to fold. So creasing it should be somewhat a problem. That's why you kind of have to use a tool or something. In this case, I'm not just gonna use a tool. I'm just gonna use my nails, but that will be a bit hard. Once you reach this step, what you will do is hold this heavy edge here, leafy edge, and then put it over a edge on the table and just sort of do that to make a curve. This is very important for the model, just to make a curve. As you can see here, this may look pretty ugly, but that's what we need. Now unfold the last crease that we have done, and then turn the paper over. After you have done that, straighten this out a little bit, and then on your left side, unfold the last crease that you have done, but only by a little bit, and then just curve the paper around and tuck this side into there for about an inch or two. So after you have done that, now if we just file like this, it probably won't have any matters until it falls apart. So what we're just gonna do is lock it. That's why we made the extra crease. What we will do is fold this crease over so that we lock it. And then sort of smooth this edge out. And then kind of curve this really thick part of the paper, since it's necessary to make a circle. We're almost finished. Now what we do is kind of turn the paper around and then fold like 1/2 inch or 1/3 of an inch down and crease it sharply, so we lock the other side as well. Try to keep it consistent, whether it's 1/2 inch or 1 inch or whatever you would like, but keep it consistent. And after you have done that, crease it sharply. Okay, so after you have done that, sort of shape it a little bit and make it as round as you possibly can. And finally, you have finished it. This will be our new paper airplane. And let's see how it flies. This is a great model, so I hope you guys have fun with it, and maybe even do some competitions. Goodbye.